Good morning guys and welcome to Bangalore. Welcome to day 3 और आज के दिन का एजेंडा है टू विजिट अ वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. This is the view we are getting from the terrace. There are our 2 bikes. On the way, or if I'm riding then I won't be able to capture anything. If I'm directing then I'll definitely capture. Directing us to the location. पहले लेकिन हम जाके ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे एंड विल डू दैट क्लोज हियर समवेयर. वो नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीट जो आपको दिख रही है पीछे, वहाँ पे हमको कैफ़ेज़ है, सो वी कैन गो एंड ईट देयर एंड या आई विल कीप यू ऑल अपडेटेड. Right now we are heading towards the century and we just stop for a while. Let the buses pass. So yeah, we just stopped for a while to check out this view, and this side of Bangalore is more green and clean in a way, which is very nice. Just have a look around here. So there are fruits over there, fruit vendors over there. There's some puja ka saman, more fruits, and the whole place also smells very nice. Just look at this. See you at the century.
A few moments later.
We parked the bike over there. Ticket is 30 rupees per bike and now we are heading towards the ticket counter. और यहाँ पे just crowd तो देखो, like literally cars की लाइन लगी थी, and I think there are buses over here also. If you don't want to come by bike, you can definitely come by bus. We had taken the non-AC bus safari plus zoo package. हम जल्दी से लाइन में रुके टू बुक द टिकट्स. अपेरेंटली यू कैन इवन बुक टिकट्स ऑनलाइन एज वेल. अंदर आने के बाद वी फर्स्ट डिसाइडेड टू गो फॉर द सफारी राइड. जो लेफ्ट में लाइन दिख रही है दैट्स फॉर द सफारी. सो वी वेंट एंड स्टूड इन द लाइन फॉर इट. बाय द वे, दिस इज द मैप ऑफ द जू and the types of animals which you'll be able to see over here. एक और डाले ने दोन कॉमन वीकेंड्स अरे बाबा वीकेंड्स are रहना का. As you heard, after waiting in the line for more than an hour, we had to again sit here for about 15 minutes. Finally, after waiting for more than an hour, we got a chance to experience the safari. लेवल बेस्ट ट्राई करूँगा इस एंगल से कुछ पकड़ने के लिए. एंड द राइड बिगेन. For the century ride total हमको 45 minutes लगे. अभी यहाँ से butterfly park नज़दीक है और we can go back to the zoo. First हम अभी जा रहे हैं butterfly park. And this is the footpath which leads to the butterfly park. You can buy tickets here, or initially when you buy the zoo and safari tickets, you can buy them together. The walk through this butterfly garden was actually very relaxing and nice. Also there are facilities here such as washrooms and water purifiers. और यहाँ पे children's park भी है. But we came here for this. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer. यहाँ पे उस रूम के अंदर और एक एग्जीबिशन रूम था जहाँ पे बटरफ्लाइज और कुछ इंसेक्ट्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन है और कुछ प्रिजर्व्ड बटरफ्लाइज और कुछ जिंदा एंड प्रिजर्व्ड इंसेक्ट्स भी है. So after watching and reading about butterflies and some other insects, we are now heading out to the zoo. The zoo and the rest of the day I will keep it for the next video, that is day 3 part 2. which will come out on Sunday at 1 pm, as I do not want to compress 150 plus video clips of the zoo in this video, as that would turn this video a bit too long. यहाँ तक वीडियो देखने के बाद लाइक का बटन दब जाना चाहिए और मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि आपको क्या पसंद आया, द सफारी राइड या फिर बटरफ्लाई पार्क. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing and sharing my videos. See you in the next one. Take care and peace.
So please subscribe, whatever.